So the people who are unaware, I want to give this to them. Look, the filth and disgust of Handore has spreaded everywhere through land server. We found a way of what do you call it, my data, my content, because I have an international market, and he found a nice source to spread his filth to land server. Something dangerous is getting prepared. Even Handore don't know what is getting prepared. Because this land server, there are dangerous people out there. I'll tell you what the thing is. There are many dangerous people out there. I go out. I know what the world is. Eh, I have that thing of having a bloodbath. I'm not afraid of this shit. But something danger. Now I'm out of the picture. I'll tell you. By going through all this procedure, now I'm out of the picture now. Out of the this thing. But something dangerous is getting prepared which no one has any clue. They can't even imagine what dangers are gonna come in the future. Because this filth has spreaded everywhere. This disgust has spreaded everywhere. Through land server, the Handore has spreaded this filth. Why do you think I took a pause? Everything is because I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see. I could see clearly what is gonna happen. Something people can't imagine. More dangerous stuff is getting prepared. We can't imagine. His filth, his disgust has spreaded everywhere. Dangerous things are yet to come. Why do you think I took a pause? Why do you think I did my procedure and I stepped aside? Because dangerous things are coming. Unless and until you kill Handore, it's not gonna stop. Because the main creator should be killed first. The creator is the Chandrakant Handore. He is the disgusting fellow who spreads this, who does this. Something more dangerous is getting prepared, no one has any clue. I can see clearly. No one has any clue. Why do you think I took a pause? I know what has to be done.